Welcome to my channel. Today I'm sharing my hospital bag with you. This bag is almost complete, just need slippers and some cash. That will be added later. Your maternity notes should be on the top so that your partner or midwife can access it easily, specifically at the time of emergency. If you have any instructions or birthing plan notes that your doctor or midwife should know, then don't forget to put them with the maternity book. As an inpatient, I'm keeping more clothes than normal delivery as I don't know how long I have to stay in the hospital. This is my homecoming outfit. I'm keeping a jumper with me in case I feel cold during delivery time, although I will be wearing hospital gown. Next to it is my nursing bra, which is very helpful when it comes to feeding the baby. I have also a pair of socks, although hospital will provide socks, it is optional. My towel. Pair of underwear which I will need after the delivery. Some maternity pads along with dispose-off bags. Breast pads are very useful when breastfeeding. Mobile phone charger, which is very important. Some paracetamol and energy bars for you and your partner. Toothbrushes, which I will put in this bag. First let me show you what is inside this bag. Here it is. So I have toothbrushes, toothpaste, deodorants, perfumes for me and husband, hairbrush and moisturizing cream, BB cream, lipstick, also some hair bands and clips. I'm keeping dry shampoo with me just in case I'm not allowed to take shower. In this bag I'm keeping my shampoo, conditioner and body wash to avoid any mess or leaks. I hope that you enjoyed the video.